Hello, and welcome to this episode of 50 Plus Unstoppable You. I have some very exciting news to share, and that is my book is available on Amazon. This book is for anyone over 50 who's ever wondered, can I really use that AI stuff? My answer, yes, you absolutely can. The book begins with the basics. I introduce you to ChatGPT, a free tool where you type in a request and get quick, helpful responses. It's like having a super smart assistant that's available 24/7. If you can write an email or search Google, you can use ChatGPT. Here's how it works. You type in what's called a prompt in the form of a question or instruction. For example, help me plan a weekly menu. Or, what are 3 fun hobbies I can try this fall? You type it in and ChatGPT responds clearly and instantly. That's how simple it is. In the book, I walk you through real-life examples, useful prompts, and simple ways to use AI in your everyday life to save time, stay organized, and maybe even have a little fun. AI doesn't have to be intimidating. It's been empowering for me, and it can be for you too. If you're curious but not sure where to begin, this book is a great first step. It's simple, clear, and designed with you in mind. The book is on Amazon, and I'd love for you to check it out. The best way to learn is to try, and this book makes it easy. Why not start today?